Hello, my name is Jörg and welcome to coachRED. In the prior video, we learned how to update a to-do from our Appgyver app. This will be a short video how to delete a to-do. I will add a delete button to our edit item page. So I drag a container right below our header and add an icon to it. The icon should be something like a trash can and should be on the right side of the screen and vertically centered. So I change the style of the container. Layout looks good and I move over to the logic section. First thing is I want to confirm that the user actually wants to delete this to-do. Should the user confirm, so on the top output of the confirm dialog, I want to delete the record in the database. That can be done with the HTTP request that we already know from the prior videos. I look into the Firebase documentation to see how the delete works. First I see is that the HTTP method is a delete. Then the resource URL is like in the other cases. And the name parameter I get from Firebase directly. Lastly, I see that I don't need to have a request body. With that information, I head back to Appgyver to configure the HTTP request. The URL, we already know how it goes. It's a formula consisting of the app variable resource URL. Oops, I need to delete the two quotes. The relative path we get directly from our page parameter name. Okay, I save this and select the HTTP method delete. That's it for the HTTP request. The only thing missing is the navigate back. One thing I forgot when creating the delete button was that it only should be visible in the update mode. You probably already know how it goes. We assign a formula to the visible state and the formula consists of an is equal and we test the page parameter against the string update. Testing time. Let's save the app and see how it performs in our preview. First is create new and the delete button doesn't appear. Great. Next is the edit button. So I press delete and get the confirmation dialog. I press cancel and nothing happens, just as intended. Finally, I press delete and confirm. The to-do is deleted. Great, and that concludes our little series on Firebase create, read, update and delete. See you soon in other coachRED.net videos.